Hi, honey bunnies. Nana here, and Papa's close by.
Hi, everybody.
He's taking the video. I'm glad you're here. We've got a good story for you. So come in close, right here. And this one is about animals. So who do we have here? What's that? Yep, elephant. He's the main character. And these are his friends. There's a lion and a zebra and a mousey and a chimp, which is a kind of a monkey, and it's short for chimpanzee. Can you say chimpanzee? Yeah, and he's a chimp. So let's read Hiccups for Elephants. Sounds interesting. It was nap time. All the animals were fast asleep. Shh. The lion's asleep. The chimp is asleep in the tree. The zebra is asleep. And the mousey's asleep. Except for Elephant. He had the hiccups. Hiccup? Chimp woke up. I can cure those hiccups, Chimp said. Stand on your head and eat a banana. Do you think he'll try it? Yep. Elephant gave it a try. Chimp helped him up. Kaboom! It only made him dizzy. Hiccup? Lion woke up. He doesn't look very happy. I can cure those hiccups, Lion said. Drink lots of water. Very, very fast. Wow. Do you think he does it? Yep. Elephant gave it a try. He drank and drank and drank and drank. Hiccup? It didn't work. Zebra woke up. I can cure those hiccups, Zebra said. Hold your breath and count to 10 backwards. Whoa. Do you think he'll try? Yep. Elephant gave it a try. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hiccup! Mouse woke up. Mouse woke up. What's all the noise? Mouse asked. I'm trying to sleep. Poor elephant has the hiccups, Chimp explained. Mouse looked at Elephant in the eye. Boo! He shouted. Everyone waited and waited, but there were no more hiccups. Wow. Works every time, Mouse said. All the animals fell back to sleep. Shh, they're all sleeping. Elephant's feeling pretty good. Except for Elephant. Achoo! He got rid of the hiccups, but now he's got the sneezes. That's a funny story. We had fun reading it for you. I wonder how he's going to get rid of the sneezes. That will be another story probably. Thanks for coming and sharing this book with us. Remember, Nana and Papa love you always and forever. So bye-bye from Nana.
And Papa.